Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add video in Circle. So first you need to import your video to the timeline by clicking this plus icon, and your video is on the timeline. You need to click on that, and after that you will see that there is a video option on the right side, and under the video section you will see that there is a mask tab. You need to click on the mask tab, and now you need to click on the add mask. So now you need to click on the circle, and here is the you need to adjust the size of the circle as per your video requirement, and from this arrow you can above drag to the above and adjust the feathers, and now play it, and this is what you can see that your video is in circle now. So place another video on the timeline, adjust the size and position, cut it, and again go to the video, and on the right side there is a mask, add mask, again click on the circle, adjust the position of the circle, and now play it how it looks, and this is what you can see that you can easily add your video in Circle in CapCut. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.